All right, I wanted to do a review for the DAP Eclipse Rapid Wall Repair Patch. It's a new product online for DAP. They say it's DAP's fastest, strongest, thinnest drywall repair solution. So patch, paint, and then finish. It's pretty simple. No spackling, no sanding, no tools required. It's a 4-inch patch. 4-inch patch. Picked this up at Home Depot. It was $11.98, 12 bucks. Pretty steep for a 1 4-inch repair. But anyways, this is it in a nutshell. You pull it out. It's a little 4-inch patch. You stick it on the wall over the whole repair, and then there's 2 layers here. So you put it on, you stick it. They want you to paint over the entire surface, and then when it's done, you pull off this little second layer. You peel it off. Trust me, it's not so simple. Anyways, they also have for $8, $8.98, you can get 2 or 4 2-inch patches. Same thing. You peel it off, put it over the little hole like a wall anchor size hole, paint it, and then you grab this little tab after you're the first coat of paint and you peel it off. And then they want you to paint it 2 more times, and if it needs to be textured, texture on top of it. I would say in comparison, we've got the Fast Patch here. It's a pre-textured item. This item you can get at Kroger's, Fred Meyer. It's like $4.99. This will do 31 repairs. So this one's a pre-textured product, so you've got wall anchor size holes, a gouge, stress cracker corner repair, and then you've got the nail hole repair as well. Plus it comes with a 6-inch patch. 6-inch, and the 6-inch patch comes with a center reinforcement. So you put the center reinforcement on first, and then you go over it with the larger one. So we appreciate Fred Meyer Kroger. You want that for $3.99. That's your product. It also comes in a smooth. So it's a smooth, same product, same thing, but in a smooth finish. So peel it off, stick it on, paint it. Peel, stick, paint. $3.99. If you need stress crack repair, Sherwin-Williams, they carry this. They've carried this in their stores for 15 years, since 2005. So you got a stress crack tape pre-textured right here. And then you have the same item, but in smooth, mini patch. So you've got the Eclipse patch comes with these four little patches. It's $8.98 at Home Depot. And then this product right here, the mini patch, has 54 repairs. It does small anchor, a wall anchor hole size, nail hole size, etc. So goof patch goes around outlets. You've got different items. You got stress crack tape, 50-foot rolls. You've got 30-foot. You got a pre-textured roll of tape. Plus you have a textured roll here. It's going to be 5 inches by 6 foot. So you get a lot better variety, a lot better stuff. And the most important part here, the very most critical part, these are all 100% made in America. The raw material comes out of Ohio. The packaging is manufactured in Oregon State, and it is manufactured and packaged in Washington State, 100% US made. We'll go to the Eclipse. Let's see what it says here. So on the back here it says, made in the USA with US and globally sourced materials. So it's an interesting concept here. So they're saying it's made in the USA with globally sourced materials. So let's just see what we got here. So the only thing that's here is a patch. So I'd like to know what they're sourcing. Clearly, the patch is being sourced. It's not US. There's nothing else here. It's just the patch. So I'm not sure what they're claiming to be made in the USA. Not sure. But if you want to pay 12 bucks for 1 4-inch patch, Home Depot, that's where you go. If you want to pay $8.98 for 4 2-inch patches, Home Depot's your guy. If you want to go to a company that supports a small U.S. manufacturer as opposed to DAP, you can go to Sherwin-Williams, or you can go to Kroger and Fred Meyer and look at other local retailers for the carry a variety of our products. So it's your call, it's your choice. Home Depot, we've offered our products to them numerous times. These products, apparently they didn't want to give the customer a product that would solve the need, very easy, peel, stick, and paint for retail of $4 or $5. Instead, they wanted to offer you guys a 1 repair patch that has more steps required for $12, and then the same patch, smaller version, for $8.98. Support a Made in America company.